On this lesson, there's two things that you need to know. And the first thing is that vertical angles are congruent. So this 7x plus 18 and the z are vertical angles. Those are congruent. That means they're the same. Angles that are next to each other add to 180 because they make a straight line. Because these both involve an x, I'm going to add them and set them equal to 180. So we have 7x plus 88 plus 12x plus 35 has to equal 180. So I have 7 plus 12 is 19x, and 88 plus 35 is 123. So I subtract 123 from 180, and that's 57. And I bet that 19 goes into 57 3 times. So x equals 3. In order to find out what z equals, we have to plug x into this equation or that statement. So 7 times x, so 7 times 3 plus 88, that's going to be what z equals. So that's 21 plus 88 is 109. Okay, we'll do another one. Okay, we already know that z is going to equal 116, so we'll just type that in. For x, we have to do 180 minus 116. Here, I'm just going to use my calculator. $64. So this particular angle has to be 64. So we do 13x plus 12 equals 64. I'm going to subtract 12 from 64 to get 52. 13x equals 52, and I bet that equals 4 when we divide. I'm just drawing all over my screen. Okay, so I do 52 divided by 13, 4. So x is 4. Okay, we're going to do another one because I know there were some that were a little, here we go. These are ones that these two are equal to each other. So when we do 11x plus 93, that's going to equal 12x plus 91. So I'm going to start by subtracting 11x from both sides and subtracting 91. That'll, 91. That'll get rid of this and that. So we'll have x equals 93 minus 91 is 2. So x equals 2. Then we have to plug that x into one of those. It doesn't matter which. I'm going to do 11 times 2 plus 93. So 22 plus 93 is 115. And we have to subtract 115 from 180 to get what z equals, which is 65. Because this 11x plus 93 and z will add to 180. So that's why we had to do it that way. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.